Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the process on how you can get your AirPods or Siri in particular to announce the messages that you get through your AirPods, and then also how you can reply through your AirPods, of course, using Siri. So what you need to do is open up the settings application, and that, of course, is going to look something like this. And then once you have your settings opened up, what you need to do at that point is tap where it says notifications and then tap announce messages with Siri. At that point, turn on announce messages with Siri. And then with this feature turned on, when you have your AirPods in, Siri will read your incoming messages out loud through your Apple AirPods. Now, once you have Siri read out the message to you, you can also have the option to respond using Siri. Now, to do this, what you want to do is, of course, wait for Siri to read the message to you, and then Siri will listen for your reply. At that point, you tell Siri that you'd like to reply, and then speak your message. When you're done speaking your message, stop talking. Siri will then read the reply back to you and ask if you want to send it. And then, of course, if it is what you want to send, you can have Siri go ahead and send it. Now, if you don't want to have Siri ask you this particular question, you can actually have Siri reply immediately without reading it back to you. And if you want to do that, you just go into your settings, notifications, announce messages with Siri, and turn on reply without confirmation if that is something you want to do. A little bit riskier given the fact that these speech to text aren't always completely flawless, so you might be sending a message that's a little bit different than what you say, but if you feel comfortable with that, of course, you can go ahead and turn on that feature. So in this video, I quickly touched on how you can get Siri to announce the messages that you get through your AirPods, and then how, of course, you can go ahead and reply to those messages. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.